Up class, today is your math. D major 60 teacher, may I use the bathroom? Sure, but be quick. Oh, there is a fire alarm. I should pull it. Hide. Oh no, there is a fire alarm. Everyone run.
Wait, it was G minor 200 who pulls the fire alarm.
Oh, I know, let's tell him. G minor 200, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. Go to the principal's office now.
So G minor 200, why are you here?
Why was pulled the fire alarm?
G minor 200, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You are suspended for 1 day. Go home right now.
G minor 200, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded for 1 day. Go to your room now.
Yes.